we also find new ideas for sustainable materials that already have a bigger commercial potential, such as bioplastics and other kinds of new natural compounds. Bioplastics are already a lot more common for other products besides footwear, for anything basically that doesn't have to be flexible, such as packaging or even this bioplastic phone. And we keep discovering new resources to make bioplastic of, from algae to corn to even the keratin from chicken feathers. The problem with using bioplastic for footwear is that it's usually quite hard and brittle and not flexible enough for anything like a shoe. However, a US-based supplier NatureWorks, who supply corn-based bioplastic, and Japanese plastic manufacturer Kurarai have managed to produce the very first completely bioplastic shoe. It's a children's shoe, and both the sole and the upper were made of corn-based bioplastic. It retailed for about $28, but we cannot really tell you anything about the durability of this shoe because we don't know, and the only information that was supplied to us was in Japanese, unfortunately. Yet the mere fact that we now at least have a bioplastic shoe is already very encouraging, because since people won't wear their shoes for a very long time, since it's a fashion product, the focus should really be on developing materials that are biodegradable and easy to recycle. Another new compound that might be interesting for footwear is paper pulp. It's not 100% natural, but it could be interesting from a recycling perspective. New techniques and resources are making paper pulp suitable to replace a lot of other materials, even to replace plastic, as we see here in this paper pulp water bottles. And below here you see a project by 5 Dutch designers who have mixed newspapers and resin to create an alternative for wood. When it comes to footwear, paper pulp is usually applied on the inside for reinforcement, such as for a heel counter. But with the new techniques, it starts to look so good that you might actually want to use it on the outside. Or you could decide to use the newspaper wood that we showed you for clogs, like we did here. Yet the most obvious purpose for paper pulp is packaging, and that's why we wanted to show you these boxes by Newton Footwear. They were intentionally made in this shape so the shoes would not move during transport and would not need extra paper for protection. Furthermore, they limited waste material even further by filling up one shoe with a free pair of socks and the other one with a shoe bag, so you would only get material with the shoe that you would actually want to keep rather than throw away.